big Max diesel truck. We're unloading it. So here's our box from yesterday. Empty. Here's our box from today. New carrier going in. Don't do freaking burnouts. Currently going to get the fucking carrier fixed once again on this goddamn thing. Currently fixing this fucking carrier bird for the second time down here. Well, we've been waiting since 7 a.m. It's now fucking noon. Over here at Pet Boys, and they still haven't touched Joe's drive shaft or mine. So, you guys know I replaced my carrier bearing because I found an upgraded one. So I put that inside of it. Well, Joe's went out because he done dogged the fuck out of the thing. And they're taking forever, so we're just gonna do the job ourselves. They can pay us the $266 labor. Thomas, where's the day taking us?
It's so yard.
Thomas's shit and Austin's shit got towed last night because they don't know how to fucking park it in the right spot. I think we found the jail. That's just old skirt. This bitch right up on the sidewalk. There's one of them. There they are. God damn. At least they folded the fucking mirrors in. That's a plus. Thomas is 2G back there. If y'all need your freaking shit towed, give them a call. Theoretically, right, Gemma? Surprised you didn't put a crown after that. What happened there? Hell no, look at that shit right there. Scratched up. Watch this one be scratched too. Right here.
Motherfucker.
One more coming out. Currently loading up from the house. Got a bunch of trucks here that's going to the Max booth. Gotta grab the big truck, obviously, because that's going with me. So let's see how it's going. We're gonna load it up. Oh yeah, we got her freaking loaded up. Nothing like stopping right in the middle of traffic though to load up the trucks. Oh yeah, loaded up with Josh. Got Thomas up there, Cody and Kylie are over there, and we're about to roll over to the show. Silver dually gang. I should just put the trailer right here and load it up. But we're getting ready to head out of Daytona. Let me show you guys this really quick. Luxury Choice Cars on Instagram, one of my buddies. Badass 2G. Reminds me of my last one. This just has a lot more put into it in time, and he does powder coating, so all his powder on it is phenomenal. Damn, I like that big ass fucking tie rod. Oh yeah, long live DMX, boys. He's back here loaded up. See this thing over here while I was getting ready to eat at Hooters. Man, is this fucker sick. Single cab shorty, and it's lifted. Yeah, son. That's what I'm talking about. Pretty sure I follow him on Instagram. I just can't remember what his name was on there. But yeah, this thing's baller. Clean, frame off. At least someone didn't frame off properly. Everyone else lacks at that, besides me. And this kid, obviously. When you build something, take your fucking time. He definitely took his time on this one. So we are all loaded up for our journey back to Fort Myers. We gotta drop this one off to get fixed over at Plan B Fab. And then we should go from there. Got the crew cab loaded up. All my stockers, the dually, the trailer. We're rolling. We're rolling out. I wish I had a new tailgate for this thing. I bought one back home, I'm just not there to get it. And it's not silver. So if you got a silver mint tailgate for a Fortune laying around, let me know if I'll take it. But we're filling up the dually. It's filling up real freaking slow. But we'll take her easy, I guess. Dropping off some trucks at Plan B Fab. Big boys. Headed out. I cannot wait to get this thing all repainted. It's looking good though. Pardon my camera if it messes up because it's cracked, but I had to stop and get a cream pie because they fill you up. We'll get your money back. Mr. Crew Cab back here. Light load today, back to Fort Myers from Daytona. Stopped in Inglewood, Florida. So, I'm exhausted, I'm beat, I'm tired. But gotta always get a cream pie. Back in Fort Myers, baby. Finally freaking home. Got the trailer unhooked this morning. And yeah, that's gonna end today's video. And everyone keeps asking me where this came from. It's an outer box case screwed to my dash. They also keep asking me why I don't film at shows. Reason being behind why I don't film when I'm at big shows, I do an edit, is because of all the background music that is played at the shows I go to. So, with my background music being played, songs are copyrighted, boom, demonetizing my videos. Without me monetizing my videos, I would not be able to do what I'm doing. And without you guys, I would not be able to do what I'm doing. But with that being said, it's going to end today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe, because maybe we got some different colors coming here pretty soon. Peace.